Okay, sit. Such a pretty sit. Oh, God, sit again. You're spunky. You're just a spunky old girl. Come here. What's that? Okay. Pretty girl got the ball. Yes, ma'am. We're going with it. Silly baby girl. Silly baby girl. Yes, I know. There we go. Oops. That was my good girl. You got that ball in your mouth too, don't you? Oh, there you dropped it. Well done. You're kind of the bestest girl, aren't you? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.